If you often keep your iPhone on silent, miss calls, or want a visual alert from messages, there's a built-in feature on iPhone that makes the camera flash blink whenever you get a call, text, or a notification. This works on all modern iPhones and you don't need to install any apps. Let me show you exactly how to turn it on. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. From here, scroll again and tap Audio and Visual. Now look for an option called LED Flash for Alerts. Tap on it. At the top, turn on LED Flash for Alerts. That's it. Your iPhone will now flash the camera light whenever you receive a call, text, or a notification. If you want the flash to work only when your phone is on silent, turn on Silent Mode Flash. This is useful if you don't want the flash going off when your ringer is on. There's also an option called Flash while unlocked. If you turn this on, the flash will work even when you are actively using your phone. If you prefer the flash only when the screen is locked, you can leave this one off. And that's it. Your iPhone will now flash for calls, texts, and notifications, making it much harder to miss anything important. If this video helped you out, please make sure to click the like button as it helps reach this video to more people. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.